I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Disney Plus. So it's pretty simple to log in into Disney Plus. So there's two ways. The first one is the app and the second one is through website. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in through app. So you need to download this Disney Plus app from your Play Store or App Store, whichever thing you use. If it is iPhone, it's App Store. If it is Android, it's Play Store. You want to download it. And if you want to log in through website, then you want to go to this website called DisneyPlus.com. All right. You want to search this website on your, search engine. You want to search for this website called DisneyPlus.com on your search engine. Then it's going to take you to Disney Plus official website. And if you're doing this on an app just like this, you want to open it. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on this login button over here. Now, if you're in the website version, there should be a login, button at the top right corner as well. You just want to click on the login button. After you click on the login button, it's going to ask you to log in with your email, which means it's going to ask you to enter your Disney Plus email. So enter the email, whichever email you linked while you created a Disney Plus account. After entering the email, you want to click and continue. After clicking and continue, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask for your password. And if you do not go to the page where it doesn't ask for your password, then basically the email you typed over here is incorrect, alright? So first make sure the email you type over here is correct and click and continue. Then it's going to take you to the place where it's going to ask for your Disney Plus account's password. After entering the password over here, you just want to click on login and you should be able to log in into Disney Plus account. And in the website is similar as well. After entering your email, enter your password and you should be able to log in into your Disney Plus account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Disney Plus account.